Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures which I've got currently applied. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and we have to scroll quite a lot, almost to the very bottom, in order to find these system bars. And on the second position in this section we've got the system navigation, so let's simply tap. And as you can see, obviously I've got the gesture navigation set, but if you've got the navigation bar, a quick disclaimer before we'll set and learn the gestures, here you can customize it, so simply tap on this settings icon, and as you can see you can customize, for example, the button layout. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on the gesture navigation, and as you can see the 3 buttons will immediately disappear. Instead we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Again, we can enter the settings, you can decide whether you want to swipe to invoke assistant, you've got back sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you really need to change this back sensitivity to the lower or higher level. And there we've got also the gesture indicator, so you can either show the gesture indicator, so this line, or hide it, and to be honest I prefer it to be hidden, so let me choose this option. Alright, so what I wanted to show you right now, a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So because as it seems this device lacks the tutorial which you will be able to go through it. So let me quickly explain. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and as you can see we just got back. Now you can do it also from the right side. As you can see it works perfectly fine also. You can go back to the home page just by swiping your finger from the bottom to the center, and this motion should be really short and quick, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture, however elongate it slightly and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing the finger here, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.